The effort to ban stock trading by members of Congress is getting renewed support on Capitol Hill ahead of next month's disclosure deadline. Fox News senior congressional correspondent Chad Pergram has more.
Controversy swirling for years about lawmakers buying and trading stocks.
We're asking our leadership at once to please bring up the Stock Act.
Top lawmakers facing scrutiny about their own portfolio successes.
Well, I guess what I'm asking is, do you think it's all right for a speaker to accept a very preferential and favorable stock deal?
It's not true, and that's that.
Public outcry prodded Congress to overwhelmingly pass the Stock Act more than a decade ago. It bans lawmakers and other officials from using information gleaned on Capitol Hill to trade stocks.
The Stock Act makes it clear that if members of Congress use non-public information to gain an unfair advantage in the market, then they are breaking the law.
Recent market chaos sparked new debate about whether lawmakers should even own stocks.
Members of Congress holding and trading individual stock is wrong. It is corrosive, it is destructive, and it must be banned.
Administration officials facing questions as the market skyrocketed after a recent nosedive.
Explain why you don't think that this was
aware that there would be a pause? Were you aware that there would be a pause before you came here to Capitol Hill? Yes or no? Yes or no, sir?
We need to look at whether there were violations of law from the very top all the way through to the cabinet and in the House.
One lawmaker who dumped tens of thousands of dollars in stocks just before the market cratered contends she did nothing wrong.
I don't place my buys and sells. That's something that the portfolio manager does for me, and he did a great job. Guess what he did? He bought the dip.
Reporters asking the White House whether President Trump supports a congressional stock ban.
I'm certain that's something the president would be interested in looking at, and I can ask him if he would support such a bill.
Ohio Democrat Greg Landsman dumped thousands of dollars of stocks recently. Landsman backs a bill which forces lawmakers and their families to put stocks in a blind trust. The feds have never prosecuted anyone under the Stock Act. In Washington, Chad Pergram, Fox News.